Hey guys, Dave here with Accelerated Fastening. We're going to drill a 1/4-inch hole into this window opening, just like the glazers would have to if they're installing, their framework for the windows or their doors. Let's drill a hole. I'm not working real hard. You know what? Let's make this a little bit more ergonomic. There, like that. My arm is like straight. I'm leaning my body into it. That was so easy, I didn't even break a sweat. Accelerated fastening, ratchet drill with a 12-inch offset. Thanks for watching.